Good morning, everyone. Here I will present the results of group assessment regarding material about motivation and work. Introduction, my name is Ira Khalila, and assisted by my colleagues, namely Daniel Kelvin, Rifandi Yuda, and Maulana Danendra. I will just read the material right away. Work and motivation. Human resource is the most valuable asset of any business. It is valuable than capital or equipment. If the company fails to develop their quality of people, they will be the most waste and resource of any problem within your company. The above statement was written by Steve Carra in 1998 in his book You Can Win. He argues that human resources are the most valuable asset in an agency or company. Why do you need motivation? Work motivation. Work motivation refers to the condition inside and outside. The individual which cause variation in the intensity, quality, direction, and duration of work behavior. Diversity in quality of work is produced by the diversity of knowledge. Perception and motivation processed by their supervisor and mastery of work knowledge or perception that are less must occur.
I will continue my colleague's presentation. Some definition of motivation. Definition 1. Motivation is the process of the developing and the recreating before or groups that produce the expected output as expected in accordance with the goals or objective to be advanced by the organization. Exploitation of economics and business management. Definition 2. Motivation is the driving for that cause an organization member to be willing to mobilize abilities in the form of experts or skill, energy and time to carry out various activities that become activities that are the responsibilities and obligation in the context of acting organization goal and object. Net. The net areas in the individual who feel there is a stroke in him. There is an imbalance of what he has with perception of the individual the must have. Next, the next areas in the individual who feel there is a shortage in him. There is an imbalance of what he has with what according to the he must have.
Argue. To overcome this in balance with the individual will address encouragement in the form of the effort to fulfill needs in the directed manner. So, the drive is actuality oriented toward centride, a activation that are consciously carried out by a person or individual, and this the essence of motivation. The main purpose, the third component of the motivation is purpose efficient goal. The third component of motivation is purpose. Is as fishing goals mean developing balance with a person individual. Hierarchy of needs, Maslow. Self-actualization, morality, creativity, spontaneity, problem solving, lack of the prejudice, acceptance of facts, esteem, self, the esteem, confidence, efficient, respect of the others, safety, security of body, of complement, of resources, of morality, of the family, of the heart, of the property. Thank you very much.